Yes, Wow there. So my people out there, good evening. Thanks for joining my video, my critical analysis video. My critical analysis. Thanks for joining. Please share the video. Happy new month. Oh, happy new month, everyone. Happy new month to you all, men and women, boys and girls. Boys and girls, men and women. You know that. Ladies and gentlemen, happy new month. I say happy new month to una, my people. Please share the video, join our critical analysis where we stopped yesterday. From that video, I'm going to continue doing the analysis. Like I promised today, nothing will stop me. This is social media where everyone have their platform. We all have our platform, freedom of speech. Although so many people know they like and they don't want to hear it, they make them say written over sabi. They make them say written to the carry person matter. They make them say what it concern you really. I have a prayer for the people who normally say those things. I want to pray for your life before I start this video, and this is my prayer for you. Una where they carry all those things they go, where they say Rita to they do over sabi. Which one be you for inside? I explained all those things before. I'm on social media because now wasabi they worry me. Anybody you see on social media is not there because it not be wasabi. Here is a space of wasabi. This is what, if you say you not be wasabi, pack your load, make you enter. La wa. When I go wasabi, you make be womu. No other social media. Carry your bag, make you enter house. If you don't carry your bag, make you enter house. Now wasabi na you be. Me and you, we are just the same thing. We are doing the same job on social media. So, now those days, when I knew enter social media, I know they when they look at those days when I knew enter social media, not to talk of now. Now person want to do me guy. Now me can they do person. What learn now? Mo go on with now. Ya only go with my full chest. If you don't pass, you know. Wa rebel now we need it who hungry. Yes. Now so it be. Because now many people they talk and say me who can do me. That's what many people they talk and. So you don't get person when me on the entertainment blogger why you my darling. We are come the fear again say how the bomb is now today and I'm Quebec here. Happy today. This is why when I see legbe problem here go and you see legbe. So my people, for the ones where they me too, I be over sabi. Thank you, my brother, be my sister. Yeah, none of the sleep. I enter one Facebook. I don't know whether na fake account. I just use mistake. They come across and I agree. I say putiri phone for grand. This is my follower, illiterate commenter. I'm talking about you. Illiterate commenter is a very full-chested follower of mine. Where they chest everything for social media. I know they fear. A fake account no be fake account, you know. Yes, na it be. Is coming from me. And you see this illiterate commenter. If you misbehave, or you and many of other them like that, they will go drive you reach inside anywhere. If now Iboya is a Yeboya calorie way. If now English, it shock them. You are one of them too. Because they say na enyo ho ham dime. Have you ever wature social media edit luwa ne no waka. They can't tell me because now this one they make una they say Rita to the best, Rita hogbe, Rita talogbe, Rita wononagbe. My dear, all those things they don't pass on. The days where be say how they talk for social media, person you can't call my phone, come they tell me say, "Sian, Madam, come here. That caller way call me yesterday say you dream bad dream for your enemy. I want to return this. I want to return this thing for you. O balo, o here me the ni Jesus Christ no me mapa. Why no buniki ara we boka ke minwe man ye chest. Inwe gian ye chest. Fear now let you come the tell me nonsense. A prophecy where you see is for your family, for you, for your husband, and for your children. All right. So let me quickly return it back to sender to you this evening before I enter live video. You know me, we be Rita. One thing when I know they do for this live video, I know they enter people's house, go knock for their doors. Say, come on, now because I define you. You get people where they do one. Not be say I not get the mind where I want do one if you do me something where you're not supposed to do. I get the mind to do everything we all of una they do. Everything. But the only reason why make me not the do one is because I am reasonable. Because I dey think. Sometimes I'll just say no. This thing, it's not the reasonable. A fight that you never start, you will win it as long as you didn't start that fight. It's very easy and very easy for you to win that fight because not be you starting. But you see, I say fight where you go they start, you go they carry because say you be a dunga. Now that one they don't they quit they win. I don't know boma or he love I can be one like way before they will carry you come out for that kind of fight. It's very very difficult. Ugbe, thank you. It's very very difficult. So that's what I don't do. And please, the people where they follow me right from time, they know who I am. And they know the reason why I do everything that I do. Please, if you know that you are on my platform, when I have things like this to do, you don't support it. It's not a problem, but don't drop your comment for me or my page. Because let me off this thing. I will not be talking to you. Good evening, my people. I'm not going to follow you, they talk. They talk to the people where they follow me, they go, don't wear my woman say nothing. Yes, now. Now, people where they follow me, they go since now they talk to. I will not be communicating with you, although my video came to you. The best thing to do is to just to put your hand on unfollow so that you will not be seeing my video and you will not be seeing anything that I'm posting. You get your peace of mind. You don't control me on what to say or what not to do or what to do. This Facebook, you got another thing when I remember today where he also make me say, no, I need to really finish analyzing the video. On my birthday, when I was doing birthday, all of you now remember that day now. When I did here, they do my birthday. I like it when people come out after things, they'll come, they talk, say, forgive. Wait till you know if you do. If you know, say, you never forgive your uncle wife, you did this Europe 2 of na de core. Till today, as for the talk, so your uncle wife did your life, you never forgive, and you come, they tell me, say, me no get forgiveness. Say, forgiveness will not go away. If you know, say, you never forget your brother or your sister where you shop your money many years for Europe. It's still there your mind. You never forgive them. And you come the right, give me way be Rita. Say, Rita, why don't you have forgiveness? A forgiveness for why you hear me forgiveness? If you know, say you never forgive people where they around you, where you offend you, your husband do something, you not forgive him. The next thing you carry it back, you throw away and through window, you say, my husband, they go, you not marry again, you become single mother. And you are complaining about me. Say, me not get forgiveness. Say, forgiveness or agboe. Ugaye te, me not concern me moment de. Inwine re. Una e muende. Umu e muwe wasopo. You carry on for his iPhone. You carry on for anywhere. You follow your friend gossiping. Wabo se wogba gossiping. And inwine re na person matter. When I be me ade doka me inwine re oga agboe. No ga bunya. We need Jesus Christ no me mafa. He said, if you don't ever in your life analyze matter the way they analyze and so, because this is exactly what I'm doing. What you cannot boldly do outside is what I do on live video. What you cannot boldly do on social media is what presenters does. No other thing. You they analyze my matter for inside your phone. If you don't ever sit down and analyze matter, say you not see that Rita. Una analyze them and we phone. Maintenant la live video ne me do analyze them man no women for a year and 6 months. Una when you analyze them money. E me roga gbo e fun ga gian we ho. E fun ga gian we ho. We need Jesus Christ no me my Now this prayer for me I feel do my people. Good evening, Dawn. I said you should call me. You forgot maybe. Now I go kill you. If you don't ever gossip your boyfriend or your girlfriend, you don't gossip your baby mama, you don't gossip your baby papa with anybody, and you come meet me when I want to do my own for my platform, say me not do one because you know not here with me. E yonga gboga la we ina ho. We need Jesus Christ no me wafa. And that one now say me I fit do. Because I go dey lose some of them, the one that say, "Mo na see you all this hypocrisy and hypocrite." Now me anu na even know what like, what even know what like. How was the genesis of this thing? The day I was doing my birthday and sitting down when I do my birthday for you. Una don't know what happened. That very day, Vera was online with her mama. They were busy disturbing my birthday. One thing I have never ever done to her since I did this Facebook. I know how many times she celebrate birthday. I know they disturb her birthday. I leave her alone. You get anybody who say I don't disturb her on a celebration day? Is there anybody on social media who can say on my celebration day Rita was disturbing me? Or Rita was busy talking about me, insulting my husband and my children on my celebration day? Please, you people should remind me if I don't know. But Sugu and Vera, they did it to me on my celebration day. She hid under Vera. She entered inside Vera, using her because under normal circumstances, nothing concern me, concern Vera. She was using her to bully me on my celebration day, which I have forgiven Vera. I don't work up as it. But she, now she do all those things. She will suffer for it. So we went away to her. So the video when I do yesterday, she came to my video of yesterday. She collected everything. She took the entire video of 2 hours, something minutes, she put on a platform with the intention of using it to make money. With the intention of saying, oh, I want to be using this video to make money. So that my video will be giving me money and it will be giving her money. Impossible. You know why? Because I never showed your face on my video. I never show your face on my video. I was just doing and analyzing the situation on ground. I'm waiting you don't feel do blessing, Joe. You don't kill her. You don't carry Agbada, go there, go take it, blessing, Joe. What have you done? You want to come and follow me to drag my own food inside my own house, on my own cyberspace. That is stubbornness. I don't like things like that. It will make me never to leave you alone. Stubbornness, we pass body, we pass gauge. I know they like her. Rudeness. You want to go use me to brag for your followers, say you can do anything you can. When my irrita me here. Agbe me iwu irrita him me so now me just decide say, and sometimes it's because of the amount of people. I'll just also say let me give them the benefit of that and talk. On my own birthday, when I did do my birthday, she was busy there. He sets Vera for grants in a Vera bully in a birthday or email. So what are you people talking about? Why am I giving no rena here no refer to? I can't refer to my people. So let's continue yesterday. Let's continue from where we stopped. On the critical analysis of yesterday. This will not be saga. I'm not doing saga. Somebody said truth. Thank you. And don't look. The time we Vera, they opened up. Somebody say no even understand what Rita they talk. How you will understand that you just jump inside agree? You won't understand the whole thing in 1 minute. Somebody don't make me forget what I want to talk now. What's your one eye? I want to analyze a video from where I stopped. Mom, say good evening, ma. I forgot to call you after the live video. I will call you. All right. I want you to call me. We need to talk. He carried my video. He carried my full video. He go put on for a page. Now they do that kind of thing. Not do one again. Because I think say yourself, I think say you don't take for this job. You know social media way. You know the, oh Judith, you know the work where you know how social media be. Yeah, you just enter the territory, you just pack everything, you just go put for your platform, you want to use and content make money. Make people come they say you be a duga, you too much, or you do this, you do that. Your followers, they don't love me, they hate me. Tell them that my followers also hate you. They don't love you. They dislike you with serious passion. Alright? They dislike you with serious passion. And I don't know what they go on for social media. If you are a starter, you enter this social media and you are doing what you are doing, your work. They want you, if you say, oh, I am a person who wants to be contributing on social issues, what is happening on social media and sharing my mind. Some particular people want you to be a puppet to them, a house girl, a person they can control. That's when the problem will start. That is where the war will start from. They want you to become a puppet. When you are not a puppet to them, then they use you, do what they like. They can be bringing you to whatever they like. That one, they'll be very satisfied about it. Then you are their friends. Now in this, Vera go take 4 victims for where you go 4 victims the other day. Which somebody like me is not easy to do with me, you know, all those things. So the problem I have with them is the problem of I know who I am. That's the problem I have with them. So the reason why I'm analyzing this video with my full chest and full confidence is that this video she did yesterday, this nonsense video, is my video. It's my own. Although she did it in a platform, she used her mouth to say it. She used her body to talk about it, but it is my video. And I don't know how it be my video. I will not go, maybe, I don't know. Because a video before you finish the video, you was lashing on Vera with work on the quarrel, of which the fight is the fight we be say I expect for a very long time. How will you say it's not my video? I've been expecting that fight for a very long time. You have used Vera to bully me and they expect to fight. And when fight can finally come. And I also promise people that when your fights come, I will sit down here. I will not fight. I will not shout. I will not insult anyone. I will just do the analysis and tell you, as you are looking at Vera and telling Vera the truth in your mouth, I will also be looking straight in the stream and telling you what you are supposed to know. What you are supposed to know. Oh.
Can you come down? We'll go drive around. Okay. Come down.
Give me pass. I need to take pass.
I have.
Vera, you see what my mama they use? My mommy. Estalada. No, they rub all those shock. Until they talk to people with better pass you 1 million times. Yes, this one. Yeah.
Whatty my mama they rub? Estelado. It's Estelada. They call it Estelada. Estelada is not too expensive. It's just 40 euro. It's not a thing a person is supposed to be gallivanting about in front of the screen, except you are a very poor person. All right? When you are a very poor woman, you can't be 20 years in Europe and be telling Vera to say you are using this. She's using Estelada with Vera, who is just coming to Europe. Now you can't use Estelada for the platform. You see what your mama they use. This is Estelada. My own, I not even they use her against if I don't forget her for granted for day. Because sometimes you get the way they be for face. Sometimes, you know. So Vera not be person where you go use Estelada take platform. Because she's just coming to Europe. She can use the new one where they come, where other people never use. Now she go use tomorrow. You understand? So Estelada is not a big deal. That's way back to house in UK under 2 weeks. You can't use Estelada take the price for Dora. I be Vera, what to be a name. Do I boy because of Estelada my Vera way? Come and see the Estelada that I am using. It doesn't make you classic and know what you are doing.
No, only this. Yeah. Yeah. I hope that they could give me pass just now. Okay, give me. Then where you need to know your journey, son. Your journey. Do you want tight for your lap? You know, if you go see picture where you did take. This I know they see all those things. If mommy Monica they envy you for man, there is something that is in your heart. Because they are not doing well, ni massive. You buy 1 million. I be jenny be grandchildren. Yeah, here tie mommy Monica. You inside na me where moge le binya with a respect.
Abije ni here the day ni ya here ta way anyway. Here the mommy by respect is not what somebody demand. The reason why this woman have a very big problem on social media is that you demand the respect you are just fond of demanding respect from people. People should come and be respecting you. It's not by force. People who call me Mommy Rita, I never told them to call me. I never even tell them to say I'm mommy. This one is something you can just get in. You just earn it. People wait, the way I seen you, wait, don't they have many years? Then they call me mommy, whatever. No, wait to try to be yourself. They not the force respect to say somebody more people must call you this, they must call you that. Or see you de with social media. Mama I do tie we mommy, you set ye we. Mama I do tama we mommy, who wet ye we. I know how many people they call me mommy. We me rock ba. We Rita, lady Rita, anything. It's not a problem for me. Respect is in. You don't propaganda for it. Where propaganda you respect it, people should come and be respecting you by force. Go and create your content, your topic. This is my topic. You hear my mouth full inside now. I'm the owner of this video. You don't know that? Oh, you are just fooling me.
Ayo yoga no mama o pa yan we gbogbo na ayo fian lelu wa kankan abi
Vera don't carry a name. You are just equally Ayoyuwa. Because I don't understand them. You don't see any the whole social media native Ayoyuwa. You are not here to come and give Vera your name. And in a moment you meet you where the social media fake accounts call you Ayoyuwa. Everybody. People call you Ayoyuwa. There was even a video on Ayoyuwa. Never beg the social media. Now you're not feeling the way. Today you are not calling Vera Ayoyuwa.
Yeah, you need bonus. Rubbish. Elapi we only saweje. So we get your name on this. Wa me wane then we you need no ya Jonisa.
Elapi we only saweje. We get your name on this. Then we need no we dey am on this. E Monica we atiki oni so we to be Facebook na bu beg we dey live kibi. Can you try it and come out one day without wearing padded nyash? Why it is just for one day? Nula dian without padded nyash. Let's see what you are going to look like. Let's see how you are going to be without umajo nisan. This will not be fight. Without it umajo nisan. Just try yourself one day. Try it, sit down. Come sit down for this social media. Or just walk around without umajo nisan. Let's see. Who work on nisan vera no masse. No polose. Onisen vera ajo nisan bet oga fiego nisan. Onisan ga fiege bet who work. We are in money San John no do ye big. E fiege. O ye gbi we na akbu ni na make bigbo. E shake. So with all those lifestyle no we live in you hang we la dia we gioma. Igoma monisan big no pa monisan no flat. We vera gioma go ma me flat nyash. Pourquoi flat nyash I have the social media all bo lason. Why are you always putting your problem on top of Vera? Why now no do turn ya you Vera na? Good evening, how are you? Why not do I have Vera go swing flat nyash? E Vera reba bu swing flat na. E Vera even na ya screenshot here. E Vera even na ya bully on my fake account. Buwa. Oh now warning. All this thing where you teach Vera, you teach her how to bully, how to sit down, bully people where not taught to run. This is exactly what you taught Vera, and this is exactly where she is now good and she's grounded inside. You are lying on top of that girl. May her head kill you. No one Vera talk boy. May her head kill you. No one Vera kma wo duri you tell you we bo. Why are you saying it's Vera that is talking about flat nyash? Flat nyash generated from you and your husband. And today, only Samena me do bolo so we keke bobo dafun. Ona bolo so we. Or that make back na be maso dafun we. Two of you are not presentable, you don't look good. With a Snapchat, you cannot even do a live video. Ngozi Ezeke, I understand. I know they support Vera. You say not they support Vera again because she too insult you and your children. They forget. I not forget. She insult me where, but you people supported Vera to be insulting me for how long? They supported Vera to be insulting me and bullying me for how long? So who is coming here to tell me now say create your content? The time they're going to start fighting, their fight is my content. As long as they are fighting, it is my content. I'm the owner of that content. How is it not my content? Come and tell me how it's not my own. The time they were using me, when she came out to tell Vera, say, Vera, ya ki a platform where ya monetize. Uwa wua, abu wanire Facebook na ta uwa ruwa uwa biti. Mi kan gmak uwa ovegeni. Wama hoi mi Facebook na wagaye. Eni muwa lea, sonti kare unaron. The time where Vera, where atu arite Vera say use and monetize. Wamare Facebook na. So why are you people not telling me to say, go and create your content? I'm a good content creator if I want to do my topics. I can't crack my brain and do topic when topic is on my table. You want me to go and be reading dictionary when I have topics on my table that people can learn from? This is life history that people can learn from. You do me, I do you. Neither they call this one. So if you don't want to take it like you do me, I do you, please go. Go, because you didn't know the genesis. You don't know it at all. People wait there, so they know the genesis of everything. So if I don't reply somebody for 1 day and 6 months, 7 months, you didn't know that I was waiting for a particular thing or day. You don't know say I dey wait. So you think say I just keep quiet because my patience too big. Waiting most of Nana will fit do. No, my people, I was waiting for today. This is the day I was waiting for at this particular moment. Igbina laya evak beni vera agbe ni okay no ban gankwa. Ega ahe. Osi ani mana go egun. Eto an ega amume.
Ya Jonison. And what gem? You need to wear tight. Ghetto tight for your lap. You no good.
Ya si bi oho ye kore. Ibi oho. Ya si ye kore no se Vera. Vera is more cuter than you. I told you yesterday. Si bi oho ye were. Emi atia ege. Emi ogo na egbe is very bad. She go market. I don't know a Kenya Junior near those cheap meats near there. One more you went to sheep meat. Emi ogo no barang berry there webo. Why a sila body sili lama silevi silori. Why oya meat? Oma adi oya meat be e gbana bege e doya pitan say na body na for the see wetin person chop sleep. Body Egbe na mi na e wari da e dan almost to show the boy. A reason no see enu na do kin hele eni wo da o. O ha gbe we total we mutia you that way like video straight. Then I other people, the only thing you can do is to sit down when you are run 24 hours. You cannot show a picture straight to manado. Uwa o kono anje e woman fled. O wa je woman say manado fled the beniana. It's a pregnant woman style. A style who no bien and we ye money. Never. A style pregnant woman. Anytime you see a woman who wear this thing with them, it's either a kwe digba or she's pregnant. I'm pregnant with me or she gan ya we top. But that's what you do. But today you want to come and be talking to Vera, your helper. A Vera is your rescuer, your survivor. I'm not survive away. Oh, what do I Google and have social media? You are mad.
If you go see picture where you did say carry my own journal, me with senior Joe, I senior your senior sister.
Me senior you, Monica Medion where? I'm older than you, I'm not your mate, and you know it. Ye who are where, but look how cuter I look than you. Ya mudia ekome ye sifa. A body rokama de gwe monhe, mutoto. But your own body, there's nothing to write on about. So it's not about age. Some people have bad bodies. Some people have very bad bodies. Yan ekbedan. Ekbedan ina so yan wa ebuku no. Yan ri ebuku obejian or oberian. Or eva ni an doaye or si ekbedan re. When you have a bad body, when you are eating bad food, when you are eating bad things, when you are eating eva nama gasi. Wa do teta fi abi la video. E lama o eti gabe no keke na ye lama. When you go chop a lama no maga, uswa bolo de ko. Ah, webe enya we ye na woman o mana muje o mana no ri hu BP every day. You quick boom. Even your pikin where there are many years, you don't know anything. My daughter Amba go teach your pikin, teach you the one where you born for. No, go carry on frustration, put for people. Everybody where you they talk to for live video. Look at my life. Mama Gladys better pass you 101 times. Our children don't grow, they will talk for them with one man. You see this Mama Gladys matter where she talk inside. Let me talk to you, my people. Vera started insulting Mama Gladys. Heat. Like heat wouldn't they say heat because of this same devil. Because of this same satanic woman. Now I cause and Vera insult Mama Gladys. Where? Although say Mama Gladys very get connection with that one. But because say you not come they play with person where in they fight for. Because say you not come they play with that one, you not get good connection with that one. And so you go they use Vera to the bullion. He use Vera to do many dirty jobs on social media, my people. I don't even know how that one I tell happen. Sometimes I wonder to say, what is it that opens her eyes? Hey, can you imagine? Now so God take the walk. Her eye just open. It's just they use something they do dirty. Then they clean shit on our it just be like why you own that trailer, no why you have with trailer home. It's really horrible, my people. Vera fought a lot of dirty fights on social media for this woman. Sometimes I'll just look and feel sorry for her. I feel sorry for them. Even if they don't, then use them, they hurt me. I know say don't be their eye because I don't do anything now. I know say they enter inside their body. One thing you people must know about this lady, if you are not spiritually backed up, you cannot handle her. If you like, take it on social media. If you like, don't take it. If you are not spiritually backed up, you can't handle her because the teeth where she gets in the spiritual realm is more than 350 sets of teeth in her mouth. The set of teeth she carry is more than 360 sets of teeth. Take it or leave it. So those things that you know or you are thinking is very true. It's very true. Her set of teeth is more than 350 in the night. She's a complete evil. When you say somebody is evil, she's evil. If I tell you something, believe me, I know what I'm telling you. Dracula teeth, thank you so much. Her teeth in the night, no yamu sagin, it's more than 350. But with people like us, she will not shave it. You get the people where he thinks they work for their body. You know, that's why she wonder about to say, who are all these ones?
Malele, amaka ya haso sa nera ya we asa. Era na ya we aso sa etoro era we amati pe na ya we aso sa ne dionwa. Masie we be. Daddy cool where are you?
And when tianye Vera asosa. Umata my we Vera. Then use you pay debt. Now debt your father use you pay. Now debt your mama use you pay. Now debt your family use you pay. Oh. It not good maybe say you can't do all this dirty work for me. Concentrate on your life. Go and work so that you can pay the debt they use you to pay back. He was using her to clean your shit. You need to go and apologize to Vera. Woman, apology Vera. We me peace with Facebook.
Yeah, well now for drop me.
Well, finish in a boy Vera apology me.
Why waiting the apology? What are the men like but then one no one winner whoever. One winner. Now you talk pass. Who you be? What do you they talk? Now make me home.
If you see her forehead, her eye forehead when she they do that video, that yeah, like can make me laugh. You can see the expression in the face. Oh, what me winner papa. Eh? What do you expect? You don't know say na so Vera de winner. Eh? You don't know say na so Vera de winner. Not be you give her in winner make carry. You are not complaining what more mujoto. I think we have a learning lesson for now. Because it's jotiku no silotiku here. It's time when bejo we jotiku ge. So next time the yagwali ko be mu cause a position the Vera na wakba. E sanore bejo live agwa or live anele na gwana. You give run a city Vera as we are talking right now. A city Vera or TMT but a star la on a replace a sanore bejo is not running the city of Vera. A Vera is city where my empty at all. Where one will get to the legbe. Immediately you carry that gate run reach one place sister run follow you na we get we Vera la wo we get me do kan we ahian we give me fe ko la lori ya Ghana because yan bully me gbo border me gbe. As me I'm talking to you right now your sister in Belgium is busy sitting in that seat. I don't know can sig me na about team Vera ni no ho ni. Evani wa na gbe na gbelegbo because where you are in here, or one who is here, we share Western for how many years, one of Minanu since Uriye. uri ekpi fun meta mo wa igbina ya si you wa ya gbe wa mi wa agbele gbo wa
akonde wa gun na me yo wa akonde German lady they better pass you 1 million times. If with your husband and they do it you not get supporter.
So German lady better. Now make me say this video is just to remember and I will analyze it. Even though one cry me cry. So German lady we ma get off of social media now. You know what you do those family. Do you want me to take your mind back to German lady saga? You and German lady. You allow those people rest. Now you are not saying German lady better pass Vera. So you was jealousing her and her husband those days. You don't let the rest. The time where your husband did this UK way they so where German first lady did. German first lady was the first Benin woman where they get support of husband on social media. I don't know how many of you remember. Let me be taking your mind back one after the other. Now remember, even before this one where do I like this thing so. This one where do I like a pot na azizobo ya dana. Ave poto ibi wagwana azizobo ya dana face eje. You see this one where they talk so. You not let German first lady rest for this social media. Or we love a German first lady back. That husband where they help that woman. Or take bobo. The time where and grandma mother-in-law problem happen. The way where this woman take collect German first lady come they happy follow and do saga. Mena ni return do why ejiri. I was one of the people who wole German first lady who boko na. Because Oma get and then you know what the thing she was dealing with German first lady for was purely jealousy. My husband is in UK, not they help me, I don't get any hope. Again, if you write something for social media, not they complete. Now don't forget. If you write something, it's not the complete. Anything where you write, it's not the complete. Maybe now how many years with that one will contain and that one will contain correct and for. And when they did the same also where they see person where they sit down, any edubejo go, they write and for. But that time you pack more. Or what bezarazaga or one more date on MFA street. They will understand they cannot date kid. Now so it be those days. Muna answer German first lady way come the tell Vera today. Not be as Vera fight German first lady. Your castle and be German first lady. Or beg you gonna in Vera. It be like say she don't forget to. She don't forget. So Magijire, and you know what me. Now you are not telling German first lady to. You are not telling Vera to say, yeah, German first lady, your machine when you come down from. Because you say tafia and walk back with Facebook. You so vasabi and we baby we only messi and we na me weti me very vasabi buku. We only messi and we. Yet to see and my lady. Because of vasabina, then we do a buku, we me a buku. Jess, okay, can you beg muga o me we eritana el. Over sabia imi wabi na hin. Ime mi chopan wuhu. When we you wuhu me you we made to see and when walk pata. Ni ya wa. How are you darling? Dori your door. No twe no rebejo no we kobe na hogaru mi sen no se kokin aba akwa de gbe we bo bia na bia kwe. Me no ne tafia so ba boton age. Ya ga eni an. O kan pe mu ese guane. You don't carry your sister rich anyway. So that is so vasabi and one walk away, walk past no teme bestini bagua, walk past no teme skimi ya, walk past no semi ya no Facebook, come away at our vasabi, where I tell who I muni raga and muni ju and munere buon. No buon was son of buon bavan. No buon was son of buon bavan. No ni same no flatty boo and no flatty dig buon. No flatty ya with him in utonok berry. Abola with bibagmo.
Who am I supporting? What do I supporting? Where you were supporting? Where? Okay, I let me more or let la video. Me.
That is why I continue to say, Umama Vera, I'm going to masoe. Eka Vera ya le no more, but who where time me do again where ya le nemo. When do you always cook for your children, madam? 24 hours. Me I certain la video be deg bafa where I was 3 days at home off not working. I've done a lot of things inside the house. Oh, wait, 24 hours, I'm about that phone. Ko be another Mukara yet, no me de Quayahara. Oh, be another with your Quayahara and a companion on the webo. E o de juwa if you're man. Una old days, every time me to why it's was the webuna. I mean, your party la Bua. Because woman win your big government. Woman win your daphne, woman win your bunch of empty people. Oh, why vacuum. E video nous ya so badana. Ya analyze ni fie ke dosbin. Ibe mal dani ove. Any video nous na gume guma tememe ya ye analyze. Iwe nous asokia.
Oh boy, moyove 24/7. Go and sleep, take, go and sleep, take, go and sleep. Wa uye banana ya gbeyan. Get to our live. Il vient monkey. Ah, c'est banana no mange no mo. Et au moins donc il vient monkey.
Banana is fruit in the Western world. It's not a crime. If you have children, your children feed eat banana. Your children feed banana. So if you say Vera children they eat banana, say na monkey them be. If you were the name of a banana, you monkey you born one monkey. I've been on be like that, my people. Yeah, the monkey or bo no monkey. Na bola we be bagmo. Una know what she do? She carried my children, she carried my entire family, she has bullied me on that fake. I can do everything. That time, I open where they look. I know say time they come. My boy have like this. There is a compressive way, afiran way.
Banana. Oh, you want banana? We come and take it. Come and take it. Come and take it. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. What do you think there? Azu o agbongbon ko weke man ni bo ju eyeke
lare no make your book no gbongbon. Make I talk to you is no gbongbon. You see this or gbongbon where you dey tell Vera so. O ma pa social media no gbongbon so we. E no dey. Nobody did this social media where even gbongbon reach you. Everywhere what gbongbon say. Not be this attention you define. If you remember this late what it be name late what it be name later people will say I too like Korea be me block them come for here. Ah if you what do kire ah gbuwa for 6 months even why na no agbe ogbuwa yeruwa deruwa o. Admi abe block out this nonsense people where they talk say you too like Korea for boy ya we ra bijouwe. Wa ho ho abagmo. Come they tell me say I too like Korea. Not be this Facebook you dey when they carry your mama they use and do nonsense. When they carry your children they use and do nonsense. Now you can write you too like Korea. I don't want to carry another person this thing. Bonnie, I ho na ni do ya ho we. Be careful.
Walking ala wa gbe. Won yan talk bo wa. Except in na me ni we.
Won yan talk bo we. Unwerita no mu kivie. Unwerita no mu gievera. Unwerita no mu ari no reoland na igbo no ye bo bia netelo. Unwerita no ga hian ga talk bo we. Me a talk boy, but some talk boy, but little guname, yes. Me is a talk boy. Who fool your boy electric light? Who fool? Who ya? Who wake back mon way? A bag mon war we ne. Me a talk boy. Evera
no be la je. Evera no tituma. Evera ne junior sister e Katie no Italy. Vera ni jinya bieli o matona wu. Amamye no wiko kinya na ahion mi ba boya. Ijuweto. Yesterday when I was doing video here, I told you to say what is the I'm doing comparison between Hishi and Vera. Na two of una gonna beat me for Facebook. Ijuweto seje Vera do time agmonge ni juwe ya wu. You carry my mother go to do pay show, you carry money enter house. Did I ask you that time? No. But Ijuweto or my war, Yeragmo, where is your mother? I don't block him. Vera cow tutu. I don't block him. Answer me. Una know how many times they answer me a day. Now me they fear the liver now. Now me they fear the liver. Inside a GPC na my video na full and where she take they do the analyze give her people. Fear not the let her do one for public. She's always afraid to say maybe Rita will come attack me, will come ask me. She's always carrying my video to her supporters page inside her Facebook to go and analyze. You go carry and go at GPC, go analyze. If you analyze them with them for them, for that side, you go drop them for them. Here, not the latter carry. Me myself, I'll still say, no problem. Now there you for do and live and then face your business. Me myself, if I finish analyzing the video, I will drop her down. No, I just want to analyze this her fight and better own. It's very important for me. So you can cry all you want. Abola wa Vera no ya we change in the one. You got a new way. Oga man we saka nu na we tutu no gwa lo no ga mi o ga fu egbe. Inene mi ni uwe ye weta bun wa mi o ma fo wu wa no wa mo an we una no
woman emi no we verai wa me me no way. The truth we vera define not concern me. That one na your personal business. I don't know the kind of truth we vera define. Maybe she know. Hey. Me myself, I go want see the truth when she bring her come out. Now when she will come bring her come out, now that time you come concern me because now this Facebook I dey many the truth we need ya we pay show. So don't always say real la den we know ya real la den. All right, we are here. But before that one, you say you don't get what you do Vera. Who carry my matter go give Vera? Who carry people go give Vera? You not get what you do Vera. Who carry people go give her? All the insults we Vera they say ogun ogbera ogun ogbiju ogun ogbiwo ogun ogborona no himie no mie before we ereke do wi owe a ehona ya pion egi no to bason we be na ya see that otejun ki emewe he nearly lose strength because of you otejun ki eme what lekpa no be joke we to say adwa kin nyagi no to run dem ewe because what take na pion nya na pion we Vera mama me no we utegie yi ni
fear anybody. Eni no ro do hian gbo vera won me na nu ke gbe kan won ya fefe ma gbe kan won me nu ya gbe kan won me na won hian to gbo e ba me nu wo hian to gbo I go me nu wo hian to gbo e ba nu wo kun ase nu ayi ga kan no wu wo be mi ame na ya so se ka o hian ga kan na
Igo nu ya ye ni me ya mi re pesho o hian gbo igu wu ye mi ame o hian kin we only cap only wa la you we that more all your life area wala yin we that muri igo nu we ya kwa nu we ya ye omane ne iruwa we nu ya ye rabi juwe ya we pesho igo ni oga gbuwe oga hinwe nya oga hinwo wu oga hinwe miame oga hin sawo fo igo ni oga jawe lai igo ni oga di we ya na ro ya ye we rabi juwe de yin nu shi papo ga lawe gbe o han mu we do aka le vera yu we gwali ho te me man we ya gwali go we Facebook do segbe me no to tana nu oga gbuwe
na ya ton na oli gbegbe ya gbo na oli gbegbe no ru e o yan kan gbo e so gbo yo hun kete mere o na bi won no oli gbegbe
o we gbo wa kete you say na small pikin Vera start to the talk person matter mo na listen you wey me don already tell say you na all those children wey they heard for back of door they listen to adults they discuss those days now you be na e gbo bo kan we ke ni nyere u weri winere buhu you inherit upon this life wey we dey so when you inherit it out your agbon o when inherit winere out your agbon you inherit upon it's just unfortunate to say you be to say all this in winere wey dey Facebook only you go fit dey do all of them may everybody do like this no work pagin winere ya dey Facebook oh you don't be like that. We are in winere name my baby dojo who way because he a regwe de him. Eh? A regwe de him. We are in jogere name my baby total be your way. I can do so. You wanted to eat from my dustbin today. My baby dustbin where is it and I but you wanted to eat from my dustbin carry my video. Now I collect that video for you and I drop am down. I know they fight cyber war with you since. Now only war of ways. Now they follow you, they fight. War of ways. If you introduce me into cyber war, if I deal with you, finish for this Facebook, eh? But about that when I go bully the fake account, if you are you that top. Yeah, you why I don't know what you people want. Don't take me to that level. Hey. I take him to that level because me, if I learn something, in a one way, I they do a passport. So the feeling is deep. You can go and cry in your Facebook. I just block you. You don't cry here. I've been looking for you to block you. Admit they look them, they come out, they watch them. It's like you are not watching them so that you can be blocking them. You know, say my Facebook, they already allow them, they look, but I know they let them, they drop comments anyhow. Like wanna see koye bona wa si koye bona wa ati ogun ogiason. Ege se ne na me do ya ati egbo 12 o'clock ogun ninu wa. They are more egbo this time around. Many return here the ati koye wa 12 o'clock if do amu gun igbo wa we. It's just a low boy.
Poge talo. Ou avec Bob yo rentre toge. Ando pe no bi jouer di ton aketa we bezon ou lubi. Bezon ou lubi, un susu un dan. Un oria wa, un oria tu. Lie, you say you dey inside GPC.
You and Vera who like pass. Who you they call like? Who work a Vera told say you come out come say now so you give am full bag of rice, but Vera come out with correct evidence debunk am say you don't give am full bag of rice now. Half bag you take the bribe am every time. Now she debunked it and brought out the evidence. Say you were lying. So you can't possibly say Vera is lying because you also lie. You also lying. Eh? Somebody say, why can't you create your content? Really? I don't get content too. Person when use me create content these days now, so we can't do one then be my own content too. So that one will make una cry. So you people have to learn how to create content. When you tell your mother to start learning how to create content, other people will learn how to create content. Until she learn how to create her content, people will not learn how to create content. People will be using her to create content, and it's very painful because she told Vera to use me to monetize her page. Vera monetize her page. Your mama is not the product. And now your mama now come they collect all the injury where they come up for Vera page. Now your mama come be the food where Vera take they eat for there as we they talk now. Because now your mama tell Vera say use and take monetize your page. Use and monetize page. Vera don't monetize page infinity. Your mama is becoming a very big cow that Vera is slaughtering on her platform every day and she's making money. Your mother is becoming a topic everywhere. Your mother, Zana. That's what I'm saying. For now, I don't have content. Maybe later, but for now, I don't have content. Your mother is my content because I have long awaited this opportunity so that I will make your mother my content. Because your mother also make me Vera content for a very long time. She also make me her own content. She has gotten money from my matter before. So me getting money from her matter, until I collected that same money she collected from my head, I will not also leave your mother alone. So social media is vice versa. You don't understand what social media is. If you wear a meeting, we don't go back about the gym name and where like with the train station. Now that time you go see whether person where gets more body whether than sickness. Abola like beer.
Every day I tell they do announcement. I don't want to present inside GPC. We went GPC and a talk boy. Jealousy. And
inside the life me, inside life you know woman who young got talk boy some young got talk boy then come out, they come do gift for me for my birthday. Then celebrate me as they celebrate person. That same my celebration where they celebrate me, you don't let me rest. Uma give me home, uwe copy a Vera winning. No, I don't know. Now feeling is deep. Let me tell you what. If you take my video, see my video on your page, I'm going to block you. I'm going to fight your page and bring it down, and I will block you. What will be your name? Feeling is deep. I don't want to see any of my video on your platform. If I see my video, my picture, anything on your platform, I'm going to be facing your page until I break down that page to level 0. I will not leave it alone. So you have a warning from me. Don't say you didn't get my warning. Okay? I've warned you now. So if you know you have any of my video before, just go there and remove them and delete them because you are biased. You are not a real person on social media. Utemata. You are a very biased person. So people where they biased like you and not like me and the Niente. You never say the truth. Now they talk true. Now they talk true. Now they talk true. Why solo? Why so? Any one of you wait because of una mama insult me. You get where you go reach. I'll still carry and face am. Bree. Or if you act bad, they do analyze the video. Why is that so? He's a little boy. Hey.
When you follow jealousy, you reach it to my house. You see Oyibo. Whatever area. If you get the police in Negbe. What bell?
Now when you have vision to police in Negbe. Oh, beg and no Vera ya winning when no big woman to police in Negbe. No rampaging.
Liar.
Do you know one thing I don't like about her? Devil incarnate. The genesis of the problem of these two people is this woman. This satanic woman. This genesis of, you know, say people too, they believe her before for this Facebook now. They were believing too much in her. If they just say, even my own friend, when me I inquired those days, he say, I want to go meet Monica. I never even went to Facebook. I say, wait till this one they talk. Who were me? Monica know the kind of person where I be, or tell me, you know where I be. I try. Which kind of nonsense be that one? This is how all this local set of women with inferiority complex they worry. Now so then they use this lunatic illiterate They believe say na one kind normal person and be this one they use until they threaten themselves. Now so they take for them. Since when these two sisters enter this woman's life, or she see enter their life never remain the same. It just be like this Eruwaila, Destiny Bagwa, all of them. Since she come in contact with their life, she will corrupt it in many ways and their life will never remain the same again. And in a way they support her for that thing. It will enter your life and your life will never remain the same again. If you are a genuine abu wa support e tag mu wa hia fi we e talk hia ya hia to no gbe bi run do man wa support the social media. Now they mad.
Audio now you say I give to you. He don't let you play. Play the audio.
Depend on what.
Where I beg you, why are you waiting? After I curse you today, if you not play the audio, il va boire fier qu'on les lois arrière, il m'y fier qu'on les lois, fier qu'on les lois. Il va boire fier qu'on les lois, votre social media.
D'abord, fier qu'on les lois. Le social media, fier qu'on les lois, parce fier qu'on les lois, avant fier qu'on les lois, vous voyez. Les non fier qu'on les lois, les rambis de chien, il va boire fier qu'on les lois, chien. On va filer lois, vous venez vieux, au visuel, il vient vieux, filer lois, va bailler, vous venez, non, ouais, côté bout. Your sister will do belé la say atie bonne et amwe bodan boua. Il va boire fiakun les lois. En dormir boya fiakun les lois.
No, I am one, they don't have weapon, no, up, but no, when I said it.
If we move,
I want to go there. I tell you, he don't want
you come out. You come out for live video. If you not be me and they do beg me when you sorting and it's if you came to beg me. Ni sort one ya ni ga its wusu. Ina wi hon. Otu we na la video. Ona ati meni. We na he na gbe biju e wagbon. No gbe yagbon re no ya gbe la ju e be yimi. Na gbe biju e. Then why va zoom dans na ya giju wa pa no ragbon e ro. Iju wa pa na ya yun bi ho yimi la yimi ne long time.
Ti bona no ma se the live video. Now why we big go ye mi o ya re Manchester there. I mi o we. One eye of you, another armed robbers, pocket pickers by Okada Joshua. Chooseless woman, we don't know herself. Somebody will just do social media, they don't get one content with this.
You don't get content. You always accuse people of not having content, and you don't have your own content from January to December. It's either you use your friend, or you use Destiny Bagwa, or you use it. That's the only people you use to make content. Even today, somebody told me that your content was Destiny Bagwa. Do you have your own content? Do you have your own personal content on social media? Where the content will go where? The content you created today, Esther Edokpa Libo Dafon, your content to where the name now. When the content from January to December, na big boy a big vie that ruba ba ya be yimi. Na big beluwa. Rita, please open back Prudence Kevin. She's a fan. Prudence Kevin, eh? Okay, I'll tell admin to open now. Okay, I don't see her now. Say, okay, Kevin, la Diana already.
No, the one thing. Everything with their body. Oh, my rubber, you know, the boy, my mama saw it bad with them.
I go when I like social media, no me rubber hair mujun. So Vera is better than you. We rubber hair keka umio. Umami we mujun. One day. This time I will manu yam migo is social media na. E manu yam migo. No we yaso one day with him. No see any bag woman I will be your wet today. Number one is Tango. Tango, you kill that monument. No safari Tango with social media, with Facebook. And you are the first people who we yaso one go. Having skimmy ya, Destiny Bagwa, Esther Edokpa Uncle me, my precious uncle. And you're on your platform where so a platform where it's a family business. Or him my affair no ayadi any bio. Or you will understand. Anyway, I open me when never doge a misunu viva. And still, you are not lawyer. We you want to still continue oppressing people. A platform where it's a family affair. It's a national cake. Cry blood. National cake, you know. It's a food for everybody. Because it's a decide for real. Agbog boya.
Rubbish. When no man TJ tag no, a pant in the job. tue egbe na mo panti yiri atalagba talagbubu oye talagbubu
e tanto pa wa be vera fi aso e tanto vera be masa wo wese e tanto vera be masa wo goro la video gba 7 wa foni akin ajere e no sin kototo baladian or 4 way they come out for okay woman wey dey enter live video 3 times 4 times 5 times a day me allow pa ni na 4 ama wu we no wala gba e pen to wear ti Afghanistan hon ko ogbele soja ya wa wo de gbe adi atalagbubu atalagbawu to wear or sana di gba se bubu wa seti mu ejo never lai e pantin we here anjo hey we plan to wear for zikbe ogbele ya fe noro all the fish we dey oye ya pin to no gbe be here ya we rest in peace all the fish wey dey ezigbe hiregbe let's just say la wa ari efiezeli bia sef iwa wa we pent to efiezeli bia because a party igene ne no for na sin kwa every day isha we pent to efieba hey ebe na bata e pent we ti hi uko e lapa ne wala la we buna lapa ne wala la we bona ya wa fie wenzo ofo ofian ke libia do letali e duosi no we hiando e lapa e no and wa hi eni se anu gba ni fun egbe ya o we pete vera o we to je gba wu me la mi e go we e do was your power was your for nya from January to u was your for nya eba ngati mu nyere nya ya ba e party na ya over sabe egbe ya lomion amire la jan egbe party ni e party ni o tol gbe ni no e party na ya teta fia la ya mu ni bilere my people if you need we gbe ya ni yawa you don't spoil everything if you we no we ni igbuwefo e mai do e ka gbo because we go no dey Facebook e ka gbo before I know the beat you I just dey leave you this time around e where eni o ye wo e we gbe where eni o ye wo e we gbe where eni o me say me igbuwefo if you need gbe me ni me aso agbuwe the social media na ya agbuwe na gbe san ya agbuwe because if you we no we feel local ani mo no ya we sadaka a donation ne frank keti we kedere ya de o mawu agbegbu eyiwo wa ma mi ori ladian e mo no ya we donation e government any waro don ya wa wo hin ahan do we azuo you are getting fucked up on social media if you see that's why I go throw away format I go show you wa sun if you let me do for at wa gberita this time enemy na dia for one na we otwana ladiana tama we nu waro la waro pa igbina ni ma bi we na ye gbefo ni set igbinu wa eva wa sun na go fight for not ya no then wa na let's go visual e vera na eri ado na let's go wa boy de ya say menerita o hiwa na le rento de ati wu visual wu ne wu meje ba gbon we ya gbo ya da jwe de even
yes besta I'm not be like Monica be ma swewe yen ba da fun e
ya say besta I want to be like Monica so he first a day here now he can see collect am he use am take dey do I don't know wetin una want now concept of una see the reason why many people dey beat am because if they fight one person he go dey fight many people because she wants to have according to late Oguname say she always look for attention yes and attention e make it tell kwa ke attention e is not giving me money wa tell me we ya gbela ko you wa bi vie no visual ya mi go vie mi sele go vie ze talo la wa for free we amigo wo we me amigo me ivie yon pa nya va azu o wa ruwe buwe na bo mana ya se ima buwe a ivie zezebo ayi ya zevie yezebo
non serve le bosser ya fiancé o wo pa ke kan no wa wa dada wa dada nwenyo wa dada nwenere
na kon we no we to be latest so you na dey look chest ave fake breast ni ya kan ba li express no pe nweni eyin wa fi oye ma na wa ri eye ma wa ri pe ladian no me fantasia ibe mi no me no ko wa na wa ne e fake breast pad ni ya fi oye ma no rally express no mo pe re ana o si pe ladian be na yin mi na shi jo yen wa mu ejo ne wa ga fi oye na ko ma no ma je brisa go be like person we no wear brisa e silicone ni ya hin ba li express why worry ya dey vanido vie ma wa be la video na wa mi tan.
We must speak the truth, oh. We must speak the truth, oh. And the fact when you say you follow me fight, I wish you feel be the person now, I not compare you. That's why you still fight, huh? I'm win.
Na yera, he said the fact when you say you follow me fight, I wish you feel beat the person now. Amami otoye, amami kuwen, na so you fight and they not saying. So you be go put people over there, and your man tell you say Vera will feel beat them before. You not say some people they not here, man, no soon. Hey. It be like say una need to go ask my mama question. No ha mu wa ngerita sungbe. O sungbe o agbewu mi mabuwa ma izese egbe le loto. U be de no to se we sile lu ehia legelege kedere aderi ya wa vivie no bijuwe. Wa oguban orion hira ewu. Iga mo hia gbuwa mo hia so nya wa. Kere lafi menji. Anybody ni megbe mo agbe aso nya en. Mo gbe mo so. Yes, mo gbe mo so. Mo kiunuwa mo tiebo beti me agbe. Eri la fi menje ya gbo ya so nyawe na so ibi na ba bola we gbe bagmo
Truth we mu na ya be mi oto ere mi won because awu vege okin odo yan ja we na Nigeria amami oto amami won emi so bi ejo ni amami opa no ma wo ebe awe bi ele jenni ni afera ama edege afiwo
wo agu de hibi e wo nyanya oh we ka ya wo ni ya ladin ai benu ya wo lo ki biere na so de go te wo lo yo nko ma na do via kwada na mienu na to bo we ba vi oni ya we wa mienu wa vi ahia e ri wo ya ladin wo to bo we avia ladin wo we ga asam we re we wa u vi we re ladin ma na me ya silo we ya ladin we na we since una don't go silo my own come let me just bring them out. You brought them out of frustration. You didn't bring them out because of say you wanted to bring that to your children. No, that is not how your children came out on Facebook. Your children came out on Facebook because you was looking for a place to bring them out by yourself. You bring other people on. So when you bring other people will bring your own. That's how your own came out. I be not be like that. Oh.
Because everything when you they do now half. I wish you be person where if you stand for something you must see the truth. It's not gonna
see where their problem come from. Because he look very like Aya Killer. He be carry people matter give and say they are belian one Aya Killer na them be. Aya Killer, you know they call them fake breast. Na Aya Killer, na him be. Go kill them. By the time we come see and say 3 weeks, Rita is still doing well. We Vera not fit do anything. My friend where I say me Vera come kill me drive and enter house. He not fit drive and enter house. All this chatting with their sister where they call no one mutu and no mutu and no roster no all the chat where they chat. So it not tell not be today start with the chat. Not say not today our first start. Our first started long time. Not today. Iyo salobo not be today now. See I'm a baby and bioba. I beg go sit down pretty Bianca. See I'm a baby and bioba not be today our first start. It don't take we our first start. So we don't get with you now want do and never fair do. Emi no wamae ka u no waso an this time around we be new thing. You know dey. Now me talk and say a time we Vera out they beat you. I'll come answer you. I'll just come and celebrate you. In when mine no dey. Oh no, it's just 16 minutes now remain. If I finish and throw and put for those men. Iri again no be jouer ozuo once ozuo gbava. Ya get or I try the third time, or not try the second time you will be lavin do to a bony ya yo. Then it's anyway.
Pay me. The one when you say you fight for me, hey, Loleka, come here. Loleka, come here. Go see Loleka, you make copy.
Wow.
Who make it best?
Una ye? Hey. Loleka, come here. Loleka, go see Loleka, you make up romantic. But so your man be tell you say you very team mama no wa etic be. Person no go fit do makeup again. Person no go fit come out. That was your intention. But what happened at the end of the day? This she fail. After she fail, your mind not tell you say, I beg, what will that be? What is it? You are not doing anything. You are just chatting. The chatting you are chatting is not even affecting these people. Because you yourself, you don't have strategy. The people that you have been fighting all these years, where are you able to bring them down? You fought did you able to bring that down? You fought Destiny. Bagua came here, he did this party, the whole millions, the whole Europe responded. The only person who could attend that party was you and your husband. Finish. Even your own friend, whether I get the party or you wanna total enjoy, but you couldn't attend the party. You are the only person in the whole territory that could not attend that party. The only person that could not attend it is you. Yeah. Hello, boy. Everybody where the young man was on him.
Oh, not the power. Oh, except the one who are looking for the truth. Confused.com. Who will make our way with them? Let me not go magic. Eh? I'm who will cut book or protect the tenant. Wow, Bell. Who will evacuate me? But what cook big boy? I mean,
you know, see, wait till you do always wish people. Think about it. Say, why is it that it's always coming back to your life? You wish people to me and people where they leave you, you want me to go the big boy with another person. There's no connection. Not connection between light and darkness. The people where you want me, your dog, they fight, they kill. They not fit kill them because they know they always open door for nonsense. They know they always open door for people where no get sense. Me they enter. Walk by ije no si luku no si lemwe. Walk by si lo son kumo. Walk by si le numie wo de the Facebook. Now only you. No other person can do such a thing. Eh? No other person go fit do such a thing. Ba bola we gbe ba gun.
Don't versus here wa. Rubbish. They know they carry anything make do better. You see this husband Jeje as well saying this. So whether it's still there, we don't know. You see just now, we'll still hear story. Because I say they do at the bone every day. 1 year ago they bone. His sisters come they say, oh, Bishi Mami Obodo Ajo. Omi Obodo. Eh, don't pa ma belly pia. Eh, very no ufo. Enemy.
Eh, sati wefo because in winning reno. I want in winning refo. Since when you did the social media, come on, winner and win winafo. When you come here, when they break, the person come down and do your bed, your magic back. Wishing winner you don't ever work finish. When you come here, say, hey, I carry the matter, I do one, you can't finish. I carry that one matter, I do one, you can't finish. For now, is he ever finishing? He's always coming back, they rotate now. You know they finish you. Now say when there be. Even this same one where Vera carry, we not they finish, we not they do finish. So judge yourself, all the winner way they carry, you know. Me myself, I not go finish in winner. My you be a man to a man they back team. Now so life be. Everybody is where he am winning winner phonia. My money am winning some of them still they alive. I might want my baby with me with all winning winner for when winning winner for the social media.
I know for anything where point, you know, the finish and may not say, I don't finish that thing. But don't have fast they run, they go, they claim it in they go. This ain't not guarantee do me, complain. Beg, mama beggars.
I should not come beg you.
And I need any cool backy walking and boo. Because the man any me.
If I walk and boo. I say what I boo, someone with the bamon with it. Now so many people talking. They'll say, I say what I boo. If you go do a say for person, you know what, because of that one make the person not the break again. So what I boo. Someone with the bamon with it. So I saw where Ukian where Yatamero and the Berita. Na ya gbe no pa ese no ya moment you busy ya moment you bomb me ese no ga gbuwe ese go down ga me we you no go ever see person where you go do when you go meet you go give am something say come deal with later that person go collect that thing for you I no go beat you take you away we Facebook na e gbuwe ya ki yo e te to ha ma we ese wo ga gbuwe ami gbe iveri o almost to do time we ese wo ga gbuwe esa mo we do gba mo we de. Because you are using your money to buy loyalty, to put people in the hands of other people to be bullying. So for that reason, so what are buwe? Esa mo ge dogba mo ge de.
O ma fiani mi, o ma da gizok pa ni mi.
Ti fiani mi we because o ma ne water, o ma ne ya, o ma buwe ya de no dogun yen we ni. Wo buwe ya ha me come and help me. She even play the audio. There I need your help. Come and help me. Vera, I need your help. Come and help me. You are the person that was looking for the help of Vera.
Be better you when you wear her bag, you know, Vera, what are you going to do? Who ya wear her bag? We are bag with Yamu. Let's say we are not going to never say one.
I say, we're blue.
Rubbish. As you Juju don't clear for you, they say na Juju I give you. You not even the shame. You will be Ilaje woman. Hey, Ilaje. Ebony amu when the German lady move ball over na. And
the German lady be when Bob where any way over here. What to ask you move back where here. Or why you soon with dear, who so with dear. Or woman no man left Facebook no allow with the name. And what to assume we were to all your do a key. Then German lady move bonny blue with Facebook na. They tell you immediately you because he got 50 ne they will love we require for no reason. Or more blue time or what to hear soon, here. Or more Bob Bue, or not time away where Bob Bue. Why soon with dear, who soon with dear, who soon we know what to hear soon with different places here. Who way me a the German lady my Bob Bevera, a real me Bue, how we may so every Facebook na. On my Bob Buena.
Una bujo when you see nothing they happen. Neither what you so. For somebody to just rise up without no quarrel. Start to they follow Monica do problem.
Really? How many people where you don't ever get up go fight for no reason for this Facebook? Who got attention? Who got legal? Who got attention? Who got legal? Who got popularity? But on the Facebook. You don't say Juju the worry person. You feel just get up one day, you not sleep. Where Juju worry you the next person. Who will not get be, no get naga hoy. It be yaga less again qua. Again, why I always sorry. It be in way. You go and kneel down and be begging all of them. We why agree why you was sorry. Why agree why you was sorry. I no. Na so na. Or say I never don't know where sorry never feel where they were beyond you way at Buluto. Is a bono lo who ya no? A bono carry a lo who wherever say me. Because a bonny and a one and so now they get on and go carry person we don't do anything. When the person will come the drag and they go leg now come they say the person too look for trouble.
Eh, but the German lady move boy all over now. No ya talk a jiangbe, una talk a unu fere.
One I told you, oh, we beef German first lady, boo one soon. I believe the German first lady now make bomb in Weje. When German first lady meet somebody like you today for road, you go wrong. God forbid. If you carry her to join somebody near somebody like German first lady, the next thing we go do, you go pack a load. Now so me, I go open my door, meet somebody like you when we waje. They near me, I'll carry my bag, I go come out. Carry my bag, I'll come out. You sit down away, they was trying not go ever answer now. All the video way they do now, I'll gather all of them. Why when we are swimming do you reply? Now that one me they wait for don't be all this. Nonsense.
Eh, Madam Ilaje, you say I use Juju take over your eye. You know the shame. As you be Ilaje woman, you can still jump person. Where feel Ilaje you should be ashamed.
If you just leave Vera, no problem. As Vera they beat you, they insult you. You just leave her. We make problem with me matter what time we no. Una zao bo, una we no do atie bone. Ya video when you analyze it, the more bone here boy ma. What you other people fit swallow, you say you no fit swallow one. But law we be.
Of yourself. Say as you the proud of Ilaje. Eh? Me I can't feel you take cash Ilaje. You go no. I go use it. Both you and Ilaje, I go beat you now together. I go beat you. Wait for me next week. And they come for you. Oh, like man, nonsense. That they go, where are you? It's not good. Very stupid. Just let child. Child, when don't know herself. I'm not
I tell you, say when Nasaga go start, I go sit down here and a lesson. So that's exactly what I'm doing. For the people that are just joining, I'm just fulfilling my promise that I promised before. I say when the saga start, Vera and Mama, if Vera has one vision, it will time and organize it. Finish. So I am filing here in wire typing.
gbelu ohun.
Ou pas de moi, faire agbe. Ami maman mon commande mon que nous weje. And woman eju pas mon. Et que nous n'a duk mon Sarah Martin. Mais o di mi a duk mon beba ni jo. I know they like quand on wa jodi o word all of them John no say see the way this one for body. Do your carry phone enter inside phone go screenshot and comment. I know they like Gan when I wear go party all of una no one way no find even some of your people call me for inside phone. La e shop no na do la out mami. Me no they like all those kind of things. Wait, be say your job here something do you work go John no say na here you for buying national flag. National flag. National flag. Anything no really job o ma kie Sarah Martin na mi ebuwe. Uje sketi na kie Sarah Martin na mi ebo. Uje wu na kie Sarah Martin na mi ebo. Uje e top na kie Sarah ma uje gan na kie Sarah Martin na mi ebuwe. Not be everybody like am. That's the truth of the matter. Evo ya like e ma be make ni ya na be de. Those days in monitor we have yan who work yan be social media ni monitor e ke no na dukmo cause mele lu waru kuma competition wukmo. E shop bin wana dukmo I know they follow na they wear for there. Na shop me dey enter jama shop anywhere na na khe ne we no do online igbo ma mo bo we go no be today I start to the be online things I'll just the wait after 3 weeks go come I'll try and no size me imi obo na shop by the waka enter I'll just enter go sit down try the cloth it fit me I like am I waka come my house na so I take the buy aba kausa or duk mo se online because they believe say they will come the pay small or you get the way they take the pay because most people they also buy close credit online. Not all countries, so some countries allow it. Not all shops, some shops allow it. Not all shops, some shops allow it. You get shops where they allow something like that. You get shops where no they allow. You know, credit. You feel buy clothes where they go 500 euro for one day. You they wear every day. Yeah, not like money where I just get. I'll enter shop. I'll not say you see this month. Now this money I want to buy my clothes. I'll go try them. If I try and see what I wear and size me, I like and wear, it fits me. Don't be say I don't find bad things online before. I'll stand in front of mirror. I don't understand. He said that it's too big or it's too small. Can't say what is all these things. Or you do fear avec babe no we mujo. It's so do fear or wawake. Anytime you know a mommy love or move adu lele we do never again. As you despoil business, they find you go rich inside your where you for the pack clothes. Even you see lo here. Or ya see le ya la bien vous babe bien tier do ya many go no la bien. I know they follow you, they do all those things. Have you ever seen me doing all those things on fake account before? Now, so me job be okay, you can register with ClearPay. Commentasi. What too much be? La baba ou la bif ou aproko. Later, la go say la princesse a bi aproko. La pa pint. Et la pa pint ojo. Month don't end. May they take on not be the mountain. Now hustling ground, everybody did so for Facebook. Now so it can't be now. I'll be my people. Can you imagine? You say, Vera never know the way they use ClearPay till they pay. If Vera don't go register with ClearPay, I bet me on help me tell Vera. Hey Vera, you register with ClearPay. Una way day away no. Somebody way right hand for you just now. Bet tell Vera number. Tell her me register with ClearPay. No so ajuk mono muse or rien do gwegwa no joy muse. Beni wa be journey. The ClearPay or do yam we die. That way they tell say you know the dress for yam muse say we this one they do that one. For waiting. We might get your before get we la alu e ya we no maheki. Somebody say sorry if I be man. No, if you kiss that EVA mouth. EVA not the romantic now. Now not see EVA mouth way me. Yeah. EVA I fed the fear me. Now not see EVA I be like person all those old people who drink kind those days. Here is a we can not be and go. EVA be like person where they resuscitate for can camp now. If you be like person where they rehabilitate come up for a second camp. If you nous j'ai vous. Eh nous j'ai vous if au vient here moi ai ati here. Ai bien non laisse moi. Eh nous j'ai vous. Au vient here ni here vie. No ni le gbo a don no vient get kawe. If all those one, their matter is not even. At times, if I don't listen to that, not just a while away time, that make me the talking at times. So just to also do them back what they do me. Because if I look their matter, I can't look them. Say in a psychopath. It also they pay me when they talk about mad people at times. Now this is not they pay me. ya wa condemn, I me la bia way. Condemn element. Can you imagine? Eh? If they pay me where they talk and tell you, I'm telling you people, don't take it serious. Some people will say, Rita, you are too bitter. I'm not bitter. Doing me what they are not supposed to do, make me want to just carry them here and bend their head through window. Yeah, I'm looking at being for because they are constituting nuisance too much. It's too ugly. If you're hungry, you might understand that we are not with you. We know ya with you. We are ya with you. Voila. They want to live here after 24 years. We buna. I love banana. Some people don't they ask what is Klepe. They want to go back close for there. Now there all la mama wait there UK go register with Klepe. Now that Klepe we register we need na see look mon gain. Now do I give vera no more. Do I give vera no more for what? Why will you be loving vera no more? That they never allow we bu. They don't allow we bu. They vera register with Klepe. Ban they aye carton si e gie bu wa. O e ko ajo ko pa. Ave fe e gan no fled be kun fled be toto fled be bizabo. Avec Ghana, groupe babonné, les bien les stades à partir de lui. Avec ce que tu dis quoi? Avec ce que tu babonné, les oh, maman. I'm hearing you.
ClearPay is not a shop. ClearPay is the company that allows you to pay 3 installments. You know, if you're buying a
like Klarna. Okay, ClearPay is a it's a UK company, right?
It's in Australia. It's in US. Like it's a payment company.
Oh.
It's like.
I understand. Our own here in Germany, they call it Klarna. Clothes place like H&M, other place you can buy clothes there.
Like when you buy Christian Dior bag, if it's £500, you will share it into 3 for easy payment.
Installments in payments,
so
eh?
You can use it to get a lot of things, good things.
Ah,
you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Thanks for the explanation. Thanks for the explanation. Is that only in UK or is everywhere?
It's everywhere. My sister has it in Australia. She uses ClearPay for Australia. They have it everywhere. If you type in ClearPay, you will see it.
Yeah.
Then just register with them.
Hey, yeah.
So each time you go to make payments, you just use
Wow.
it. So it will not be heavy in your hand. But you can get good stuff. Like
Wow.
you go to House of Fraser.
Yeah.
House of Fraser.
Thank you.
Buy bag or shoes or that.
Mm.
They share it into 2 or 3 for you, depending on what you want.
Yes. It's all right. Thank you, ma.
Yeah.
God bless you. When I know what they make me they laugh. I need to when they remember if you il vient quand des disables snake. Même dans les mêmes, ils vont trouver la vie de voir comment on a l'aise. Elle dit, ouais, tu sais bien. Ah, on laugh. On les vit. Hey, man, who if you was send am a couple now, I will go find one cup where I will give the men where the fuck if you. They really deserve award in this life. If you you not gonna understand. Look me, look bush. Na front if you they look, na back if they look, na side if they look. What beside if you Sammy if you need be agmo we ni ana. Sometimes I think how. Let me out just the think I said I'm my people wa mo oh sa lo boa oh when wa condemn me say why provoke me me do atem wa me me mo say can you imagine you provoke me to the extent of using my beautiful man to talk about you with what element et money mon vieni gare attends ça aujourd'hui look and say bon avec cake beji ça loup o iga zelele ne doye na ho na ya mu kigwere ya be mana te ya zese imana ya zese mu fu avec ne de can you imagine vieni vie wa ga we mu gene ni make up gene ni ya lashi si jouer no polish ma mati polish dag mo we e nu zuwa e ah vieni vie e nu moton e de aga gbu e aga gbu wa bo tun ku gbe upa ko su gba ba zo wa gbe ni ake mwere vieni vie wa gbinu gbono hiwe we bo vieni vie wa mu ya lashi si ya o ya pa ka mu bie Canada bele du tout too big. I don't understand. You get one day we can't eat. You put food on top table, she can't eat. And she can't eat the food. Now carry her face me. It's not like she go analyze me and my sister. After we make mon avec ni yak mon avec toi. Avec bibi ni ya konri egbian. The day river will chase her away. That one. River also carry one day just carry okusi ora wari yes. They won't lock like vie like. You just go river go start for the river to say liwe kawo, kabiesio, kabio wa pe mi pe. Il vient na vleze wa lo ipa. Ni pis hare Facebook. Go his was way. On va se vie egbe ya, on va se kai. Il vie point noin. On va se lemi no bia ni hun do sik mi a wona ga fiege. Kawo kabiesio. Kawo kabies na mi yanke mona. Egbe we bu. After many years we vie wa ya kpuku se bo kumeze. Il vie, il joue même tama we ni an. E bi ni metamu we na, e de no ladian. Ona wa le ladian, e dokpa de do time away. Ibe do analyze. Ege nu bi aso. We le rita na analyze, e ti maka inform wa yoto. Wa ka beg information me dey attack. E vie. We na wa mu ekpo na wa ari okmenze. Na ya take a wo ka bi esi vie. Isaleba. I never see that kind of vie for this Facebook. Ni ki are Facebook ne gba wi vie ni o ma fe gba be. I vie na wa le ya o be ya luga ni fu presenter ya be na mi be Facebook. Ba wi vie akere. E ra ho abije. I vie ni vie. Bon mwe ya. Abi fi see as children fine. Vi vie na mi gba o ni ye. I ye bo mi sinon nya go. Now only that one, my people. How many things I want to talk? It meti oni anyu no me ni gbe o when I ya ti o those discuss avec mani gbon ana. Chai! Il vient wa mo ekpo. Ekpo no ho na ya je. E mi ati il vient wa kun. Ona wa kun ran kun your mami na ya live na is. You no see one sexy night gan put. Il be one kon carry o bazelu enter Austria. Tu do mon bazelu e word o hori. Mo ari Austria. Il vient. Oh, happy new moon, Jerry OD official, my darling, how are you? Il m'a mis zo, il vient, y a rien. Il vient voir si quand les lots sont il vient gagner, il vient y a rien que de. Sauter pour moi une vidéo, il quand il vous tosser, et dès que tu m'as envoyé une goin, il n'a on avait mouni, hein. Somebody said the other one get to shop all the ina we denona e deni gbini ya oteno dada mo be junction e Facebook la e deni gbini ya iva be so na be so analysis ni ade wahala veri ya be so aso yosori can you imagine if you why na mana wa azese ti we sister you know say if that your sister don't talk their matter if you bring their privacy come and finish all those yan azese all yan you kita log with here As he do the other one, do the na so na. Now they drag their matter come out. If you not start at the beginning, it go do at the later end when they finish. Drug addiction. The drug of work be viego. Alcohol, kind, vie, the way book. Why you strong, we can vie. Why you strong, we can you want to remain the same. It's strong, I am with juice. Where am we can That one. If I want even talk matters, I go the shame for his body. I'll say me I just did. Man, you like go get in la wa me. Somebody said 2 hours said they go airport, go pick my friend. God not let me what saga forget. What saga make you forget person for airport now? Because who must find the truth? Who must mute it? Who must see the truth? Nah, go turn out to be disabled. I never see this kind of thing for my life. My people. Vieni vie. Ya wa bo eni vie wan wa to me we vie na salu gba de na lu fu fa ko na kidney wa la be son. Be na be kun kan everywhere. 40% vie wa la yon. They will not say now what make a man reckon what Jenny man back condemn ogun say ba. Why? Yeah, my bug buwa be what exactly is your problem? Ya tie bon wa. E man back condemn man condemn less ni man what tie mom na dege no regbele no because e man ma dege I'm not even seeing any normal human being there. Eh? Yi pe karon pa ne de gba na be ba. That one not your joint. But that if you cruise I on a bogieri for a cruise I only yagbe wa cruise and throw away program. If he cried for 7 days because of Ogulabe tell you I'm like well like anybody not deviate you. Or like anybody not deviate you. If you like anybody not deviate you, we pas go say pitolet. Or what fit a pitolet? A pitolet no we are bouquet. E be la je me lo kwa ga me bo kan geni. Oh, merci Jehovah. E pitolet no we are bouquet. E pitolet na wa boy dun e di ho area neji. E ranoro e do keke. Wa ga ni san wa hon gbi. Fi to te toilet. E toilet no kwa ba. Ivie. If I look and look face. If I look and look face, I go laugh. Tears go they come up for me. Now, because on that the way about one talking matter, about fair use 30 minutes to laugh. Every reasonable person, he must laugh or he be matter. Eh? Avec si on est bien là, et bien avec quel bébé présente avec Facebook. Il vient de add self job presenter for social media gi o me. Il a été presenter il vient pas avec la bien gris. Il vient. Il a été presenter ouais avec la bien puis. Voilà ni bien. Oh, she was crushing on him, Abby. My people. Not be smarty. Too ugly. And I saw his voice be. Now so what they come for a mat be. Nothing. Imagine if me mo salo boa we me be nothing. E rock ba on be me. Sometimes now some people also say no wait on I me we be we mo salo boa. E ya wa bevie ko. Me na be ko money vie. Oh God. Which kind life Ivie come, my people? Sometimes I dey think come for am. How they think come for am? Say, be na be women. You know, see as mama te describe Vera just now. He say, wa women, wa muyoto. And this same eye, now that same mama te they look Ivie. He talk am for one video one day. Say, if not be my sister, where they call me, say me I not talk. Because they be warning, if you not talk, they know the man on that. They'll come swear for her. Somebody like you now, you talk to me, I'll come the answer you. Hey, ya go be jouer by now. What you concern me, concern you? I don't know you before. Even me got in web one basse for where my go web one. I go beat you at book bin your tune now. I'll come the answer you. When I watch every 2 minutes, as a mark where they for Europe. Okay, Professor say the fair will blame a prick. And I wait till the fair. If he is a noise maker, it's a noise maker. No, no worry. We'll come do one kind of this thing one day. Maybe I can't select them. A noise maker, if you what it was enemy, what do more, I mean, no here. They are by hospital pa. Because a psychiatric patient in the here. If you left for the treatment, I'm married. If my mind win a big baby. It's not relevant, my sister. It's not relevant. I just they use a cash cruise, they make joke, they use something they laugh. Forget me, you're not. He laugh, they hungry me, your carry face come out. I know they press the video. I know they press look, how you look here. Then I'll laugh for 30 minutes, go enter bed. That's why they do now. You get people where I they laugh like that. That one will be like tell away they will laugh. That's why I say they do one. I'll go looky face, green. I'll boss laugh. I'll laugh for the next 30 minutes. I'll go enter bed. Drink more tests. Oh, Ivie. Vera ni Ivie. Owe line, it TV kegi vera gay, but if you say was one gay, because I'll the one that say, well, what is all this thing? Wait to be all this one. Somebody say, I don't know why Ivie rubber skin be like cement color. Okay, skin be like cement color. Et puis, wa woman, oui, maman avec Bivier. Oui, maman avec Bivier. Oui, ni vie, le skin n'est pas bon. Sauter, some people even carry company. Il y a what that the company so one ni vie. Il n'y a pas maman. Non, c'est me a fail. I run too dirty. Now make she the off light agent of darkness. What do you expect? Et donc pas on va show a video who way. Wa go get dem wa si loge de silava kai kon na ba na we gwa go meme. We bu. They just pack am for where then they sleep. Wo wa na bia na wa pack go get their car your fun kon e be like my grandmother that they pack a car go get the e kon out those days. E gene o sa lo bo ba no eto. E ni vie na. Donc, bon, on vie now. Ou mais so one more condition ni vie now ou ni vie. Na no de sometimes de tika for am. Because me de tika test o. I just dey look at to say vie what big. How many years with Facebook or what ki page ki. Or ki o pa be monti na next month ki o vie ni vie no me swag. The other one we ki o be if vie ni vie no time. The other one go sick mais no if vie ni nemi. Wo pa be we vie ni kmi. Ok me so be ki so mo nyen yu wen. Ya mu vie la ya. Ivie. Oh man, walwe style we why I enjoy kwa if you walwe be you be I enjoy kwa. Why you style we bubu enjoyment. Was wo Ivie. Usabwa. E me no we varia na ke we varia be Ivie. Saba no we you kaligman down jenare. Cause e baby no we jin. O kaligman no kwa ino. Chai. O ma be wa bube destiny we kwa be you be Ivie we wazu o we baby bo strava. What is spark about defi we baby? We want room after how many years? Hey! I they walk as if now only she be the first to walk. I know. Even the walk, you know, we must see for a body. Who make magno? If you was le primatis silo from January to December. If you what problem with you? If you am we bug boy. was le primati silo was le ya moto. E dok pa we ke shopping de ona si ekpo. O mana wa bege ona we ge. Ivie ge primat. After many years we bu. €1 t-shirt. €1 50 cents. Ivie ya tama wana le destiny we nezu obo we kun ni de freedom. Il sait bien, il vient brag ou rejeter son fishnet. Oh, my people, that was the end of the video. I've been one player rich
from January to December, any content, any care that they talk about, talk about.
and when the care that they talk about it, very amiable talk about because you know say near diamond and a cruise with the use and cruise. If me want that topic, none of una about this social media do topic reach me. None of una. And when I say what are you from January to December, why tell me away? We feel even went out that topic, create content, do everything. People go engage jump on Facebook. Oh, what? Immunere. Wana est so proprietor of Immunere on Facebook. Salou. Il vient gake geti. Il vient waje vera ke le fois vie. Waga aje vera. Il vient be nous jezese. Ezema gwebe go devie. Umati begene vera ya wuyo. O shoki we. Uma begene vera ya wuyo vie. O shoki we. Egbe freedom no sunu da vera. Oh, we see no da way. Facebook na je ya do wana leze mu wa we. Mo hia le na ze wa mo twina. I sure you say you the wait. All right. I don't already tell you. Where light, where darkness for the bit light. When the time comes, you will see no. It can be darkness and be light. Wow. If not, a depression will genuine what would you way. When not your monetization. Where by me and Facebook now one day. Where my button where me on to where your destiny where we go to be you with social media na. Woman free egg boy. Where to me and go with Facebook. This one is a promise. Until you come out of that cage and that wherever they put you, because something why boy again they not happy why you cage because spirit why is was or not happy why you cage vie or if why you cage not destroy you no ya we can gino to vanu hianzo ai vie e bonuri tie me o wa mo ya wa be la de do mo gbotun e were gbe we are we increase bobo hu yen na nia we increasing him hu yen do mo gbe we gbe do ya lo le guy for it e video we mo die ma do analyze e do ya hu go o gi me resele no evie e resele no because we go with Facebook we Now, so my people, that was the video. The miserable, nonsensical video of yesterday. Now we analyze finish today. That only that yesterday, I don't finish them. Today, I just look where the important for inside. Me, I complain, me, I can tell them. Me, I can tell them, say, comment ma vera? Because what's your vera venongena? What's your vera venongena nia? The reason why Vera can't beat you today, you created it. Take boy, take every second you second in age. Oh, well, I don't hear more that woke up or she was me. I woke up. You people are always on your sin. On your sin now, and be for Facebook. Now, I woke up, now they do. The money I want to buy for hook up matter for that time was Jama First Lady. Night two of them just they do body, those days. Okay, climb the wire, wait on top of the cage. Abi, you know reach where these ones do. You reach where them be. Not be where they can't look and like say, hey, the way this one take Benjamin First Lady, be like say if we carry and face this war with the Facebook, oh why yeah, for if you know what this woman they talk for his side, he has concerning him and not go even to misbehave. If they talk for his side, see go see all of them, you work bully kuno Facebook, no why because why are disturbing you again. So for that reason, you work bully son. No. I'm going to repeat and say that back of door they do live video. I hope so now don't share the video. You wanna share the video, my people? Share it, share it, share it, share it. I like it when some people come to my platform and say you don't get content. Content to come and give you. Saga infested people. No. I do content when I feel like doing. I don't do it because anybody wants. No. I never share the video, my people. Oh, really? With the wait? Oh, you the wait, eh? I see your message. I'll call you back, Nana. 1 minute. My people. So she boss cage carrying around. Venive try to use cream for her body. He tried to use cream. Imagine understand him in hijo. He can't be like, I can't the one that say, well, if you know, why is this? I don't know what she look like. Cream fail. Even ya fail. Company where give her cream come by themselves, can't carry company, they carry wrong. Because the company no one cream if you here no na me 1 euro later wa. We are kawa beg if bag mo wa. You just first see if you tire for life. The cream fail if wa big bay. Now that one you want to say you want to go back that kind. I take big cream, any cream if you advertise you want gather. Cause so any or ya gbewa. On no nyandi nenegbe o ma gia reba o ma gia rebe yeke. You can't the one that they when they go to ten arrive nous j'ai. Hey, salut. Anyway, my people, we move. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, you don't share since, bravo. Have a lovely evening. Ciao, ciao, my people. See you. Have a lovely evening. Have a lovely evening. Have a lovely evening. And make I tell you, I know one thing. My people, where they follow me for this page. I'm not afraid of anyone. But I sometimes respect people. I dey respect way. But now when I come see and say, when people go they disrespect me, I lose respect for them completely. That's the end. You respect me, I yet will be immune for life or for them. If you not just can't disrespect me, can't do me anything, no problem. Me and you not get problem, I'm not going to reach where you dey. But by the time where you say you don't want to cross my boundary, can't do one to me once. Even though say you do one, you don't forget. I don't already get you for my book. E wala no. Now while I be, I'm not gonna leave you alone again. I'm not gonna leave you. This one way if you so, if you. Why we not so no David Facebook là. If you guys say see you guys. Have a lovely night and ciao ciao.